We're now going to create our first time profile for our simplistic basic supply demand model. So if you move the mouse over to the libraries window and right hand click on profiles and then add a new profile. I'll put in the description first, and we're going to call this ramp sine ramp constant. Now we're going to change the unit role to be standard volume flow, and then I'm going to add our first ramp, and that's going to go from 0 to 300, and it's going to be there for 10 hours, or it's going to ramp up over 10 hours. If you want to see what that looks like over this side of the screen, just press redraw, and it actually redraws according to what you set. We're now going to add the oscillating aspect of this waveform. So if you go to the context click menu and select sine wave, we're going to call this a 4 cycle sine wave. We're going to have a mean value of 300, which is basically what the ramp ended with. The amplitude is going to be 150. The duration is going to be over 5 hours, and we're going to repeat it 4 times. The interval is going to be 0.1 of an hour. So if I redraw it, there you can see the actual sine wave. If I click OK, this entire sine wave will then be added or appended to the initial ramp that we defined earlier. And indeed, here it is. Next, we're going to add a further ramp to go from 450, or from 300 should I say, to 450. So ramp to 450, starting off at 300, going to 450, and the duration is 5 hours. Redraw, and here we have it here. And finally we're going to add a constant of 450 for 13 hours. There we go, and the overall waveform looks like that.